Leon. He's a collector. You know, stuff like sweet rides.
No, not like that.
Oh, right, sorry. Like exotic animals.
No way.
Teddy bears then?
Not even close.
This is incredible, Leon. You collect washing machines.
I do.
Are all these yours?
These are all mine.
That's incredible. How many are here?
I've got 50 machines and 2 more arriving from Tasmania in a few weeks' time.
50 washing machines. Now, you must get asked this all the time, but I have to ask, why on earth washing machines?
I've had the fascination since I was a little boy. Okay. I used to love the way they worked.
So more the mechanics, yes, not the look.
Well, the look as well. That came a bit later, but it was about how they worked, the mechanical engineering.
Now, it is quite a unique thing to collect. It's not like a stamp collection. It takes a lot of space and they're quite big.
Yes.
So I can imagine there wouldn't be too many people doing this.
Well, actually, there's a whole group of us across the world that actually collect washing machines.
Hold on, wait. You're telling me there's like a whole underground washing machine world going on here?
Yes, there's about 1,000 members of this washing machine site. There's members in America. There's members in England.
There's a worldwide network of washing machine collectors.
Yes.
And among this collector clan, Leon is the Lord of Laundering. All right, time for a little bit of real talk.
So, to the untrained eye, this just looks like a big shed full of old washing machines. But to the collector, it's so much more. I think we need to see this through Leon's eyes. Drop the gangster washing machine montage.
The 1976 Wilkins Service Avocado Green. The Hoover-matic
Twin tub.
This is the famous Frigidaire pulsating up and down motion.
Made by famous car manufacturer.
The Simpson lighter control panel fluid drive.
Fully sick. Hanging out among these washers have given me a new appreciation for WOW, or World of Washing for those not in the know. So do you have a favourite among all these?
I actually do. It's just over here.
What's this one called?
This is the 1970s Wilkins Service Ringer machine.
Let's fire her up.
Right,
show me what she's got.
Now, funniest
Still
part.
wet.
Yep. You've got to get the water out of the ringer, out of the actual clothes. So, you've got to feed it.
Hand feed it.
And feed it through the ringer.
It's just like making spaghetti.
To get all that water out.
And you have to do this for everyone.
Every single item.
It's an impressive collection, but there's just one washing machine-sized problem.
Leon, there's a big hole here. What's the deal?
Well, that's right, because this is the space for my holy grail.
The holy grail of
Washing
collection.
machines, yes, right. And it's this one here, the 1973 Simpson Fabulous 89.
And you haven't got it yet.
I haven't got it yet. And all I've got is this brochure, the repair manual, the instruction card, the advertising material, but not the machine.
Wow, so you've got everything but the actual thing. Let's see if we can help you out. He needs, what was it, a Simpson Fabulous 89. Anyone?
Anyone?
And so it is that we leave Leon and his epic collection. We are changed people, seeing the world, or at least laundry, in brand new colours that should never be washed with your wife.
And in Flashback, cleaning up Dame Edna style. Coming up in Flashback, remember when everyone's mum had a whirlpool? The cheeky campaigns that ushered in a new world of washing in Australian households. Don't miss that story soon on 7 News.
Tonight in 7 News Flashback, escaping the laundry. In Australia in the 1960s, washing machines revolutionised society. It cut the time to do a load from 4 hours to 40 minutes.
Other countries just don't seem to have the same spotless standards as we do they, listeners? Every time I travel, the grubby little foreigners flock around me, begging me to show them what an Australian dame can do with just one finger.
No appliance has done so much, so you have to do so little.
Isn't that a gorgeous little godsend, ladies? To think that the caress of one little finger can take all the frustration out of wash day.
Washboards were hard work. The first early machines were basic and still very manual.
You'd have to actually pick up your item, and you see here we've got the rollers. You'd have to feed it through the actual... and then the water comes out.
But in the 1960s, things went automatic.
A washing machine with a push-button brain that selects from 9 automatic wash cycles, introduced by Mally's Whirlpool.
Daytime television was filled with soap commercials, so the TV shows became known as soap operas.
The cleanest clean, under the sun is Fab Clean.
Buy Fab and prove it yourself.
The time savings was staggering and sent a surge of women into the workforce, changing society forever.
To just being able to put your clothes in, putting the soap in, turning a knob, and your wash is done automatically.
And with a new industry came a manufacturing boom. Every home needed one.
In 1963, we had 12 manufacturers producing washing machines for the Australian market.
Queensland had a factory at Albion. General Motors Holden even got into the washing machine business.
Unfortunately, now we don't have any manufacturers producing washing machines in Australia.
Everything is imported. And while we've come so far, it's a sobering thought that billions of people around the world still have never used a washing machine. Even if they could afford one, there isn't reliable water or power. Leon Tattis from Holland Park has scoured the country collecting more than 50 machines that tell the Australian washing story. And he's got them working. So, come washing day, which one does he power up?
Well, I could use these U-Butte sort of top-of-the-line Maytags, but I am going to use the 1979 Touch Control Whirlpool Automatic.
Sound familiar?
About my shiny new touch control automatic Whirlpool washer.
Could not live without it.
Great invention.
It sure was. That's all from us this Sunday. Thanks for being with us.
From all the team, have a very good night.
Good night.